सब्सक्राइब करें एडीटेक को और आगे का बेल बटन भी दबा दीजिए जिससे कि हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो मिले आपको सबसे पहले। Hello guys, my name is Atul Dige. Welcome to Editech. I am from Sai Solution. We are a project developer. So it is a new project. It is a new speaking system for a mute people. So firstly I explain all the hardware parts of the project, and then I will show it how it's working. So firstly here we use a nano Arduino. It has a controller board. Then here is the accelerometer which detect the axis, y axis, x axis and z axis. Then here a flex sensor 2.2 inch to change its resistance when it is bent. Okay, here is a Bluetooth module to transmit this signal to the over a mobile. This is a Bluetooth terminal free app which convert to text into the speech. You can see here when I put it here, it shows automatically talk.
Bluetooth is disconnected.
Okay, so here system option you need to mute, pause, clear, all the has options at here. Okay, so here we use a 9 volt 1 ampere adapter. We use it and give this 9 volt directly to the Arduino, which it has an inbuilt regulator, so it convert it automatically. Okay, so let's check. Firstly I put my hand in it. I inbuilt his some statement in this Arduino code. So when I change my flex sensor resistance and hand position, it will automatically send this this statement to mobile through the Bluetooth. So I put it and then plug the power supply it first. Okay, you can see here Bluetooth now continuously blinking, so it is started and searching for to pair. So here mobile, here firstly we need to start Bluetooth. My is already on, so here we going at this. Okay, so here you can see so here you can see Sai Solutions. So I click on it, so it shows connecting to
Bluetooth
the
is successfully connected.
okay. Yeah, now my Bluetooth is connected, but firstly you need to pair this Bluetooth in your Bluetooth device. So I show
Bluetooth
this
connection terminated.
all settings. Okay, so here my this device already paired, you can see here. Okay, so I firstly I unpair this, and then you can here refresh it. Okay, you can see here Sai Solutions. So we need to first pair it. A pin is 1 2 3 4 or usually 0 0 0 0. Here is a 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can see here my Sai Solutions is Bluetooth device pair perfectly. Okay, sorry this. Okay, so let's go into this terminal app, then we go in it and then to click on Sai Solutions. Okay, so it automatically connected.
Bluetooth is successfully connected.
You can see when the mobile connected to the Bluetooth, our Bluetooth blinking will stop. Continuously blinking will stop. Okay, so it is ready for use. Here firstly we need to reset this switch, and then
System started.
it shows system is started. So here we send a string start, and okay, so here firstly I show you hello.
My name is Amrita.
Okay,
Hello.
it shows when I put
Goodbye.
okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, right now. Okay, when I put this type, so it shows
Hello.
hello. Okay, then like this.
My name is Amrita.
Here is your name. Then you when I put second flex sensor,
I need water.
I need water. Then third,
I need lunch.
I need lunch. And then fourth.
Thanks.
Okay, when I here and this type of
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then
No.
there's
No.
no. Okay, then I put like this.
Sorry.
Sorry. When I use this,
It's alright.
it's all right. Okay,
My name is Amrita.
then this,
Goodbye.
so it's automatically talk.
Goodbye.
Then it's
Excuse me.
okay. This type of statement I put in a code, so it will automatically talk with this. It has a text to speech converter with a Bluetooth communication. Okay, so it is very useful
Goodbye.
project for blind people. So this is a diploma project, final year project. This so we are if anyone want to develop a project or need a guidance related project, I will give my all contact details in a description. You can watch it or contact us. I will definitely help you. Okay, thank you.